Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sista Chic Puzzle Me This and Born Pretty Send Soledad stamping polish. I started off with IMK PLEs, and here is Sista Chic's Puzzle Me This Autism Awareness 2019. I'm going to go in with my first coat. When it dries down it looks kind of like matte or satin matte. It's definitely going to take a glossy top coat for me today. So there we go with our first coat. Hi Woody, how you doing? And here we go with our second coat. It's got glitters in it, and it's a really pretty polish. Mine actually needed some thinner. I didn't realize it until I was already using it. So I did add some thinner to it after the fact. Now I'm going to top it with some Poshe top coat to get it to dry down, so I can do some playing. There we go. Nice glossy top coat. Make all that stuff dry quick. Woody back again. I'll be using this Christmas BP plate. I'll have a link for it down below if I can find it. It's a real pretty plate, and I don't know why I didn't break it out for Christmas. I guess I was just too busy. And here is Born Pretty's Send Soledad Orange Metallic-y Stamping Polish. I got my Conehead stamper and my beauty scraper out, so we're just gonna get on into doing some stamping. Excuse me, you guys know I've been kind of hooked on these blue and orange manis. I don't know what the deal is, but I just keep getting drawn to them. So hopefully I'll get it out of my system. I love the tree image, and now we're going to go and pick up a couple of these deer. I am going in with a piece of tape and getting them anything that I don't want to transfer to the nail. I'm going to line it up and just pop it on there. I think they're adorable. But this is a really cool plate. I did like it. I wished I could have used more of the images off of it. This image is kind of like a cherry blossom branch or just a tree branch. You could use it in all sorts of different kinds of manicures. I think it's lovely. And this stamping polish is working out really well. It's doing a really good job. And I love this image with the trees and the little deer. I just think that's cute. Wish my nails were longer so I could see more of it. I gotta live with it. Shorties. But they, they're trying to grow back out, and hopefully they'll be healthy. Got that all cleaned up. Now we're ready to stamp. Trying to make sure I get that little deer on there. Very cool. And then I'm going to go in, and I am going to pull up 2 deer, but I'm only going to put 1 on the nail. It's a little bitty nail, so can't get all of it on there. Here we go. Tap, tap. So there it is. I am going to get this excess up with some tape. Not very much excess to mess with today. I'll be topping it with the smudge-free top coat from Nailtiques. Seal that in without smearing it. And now I'm going to go in with my final top coat. I'm using Poshe today. There we go. Get that all glossied up. Glossied and gussied. So I do enjoy this one. Yes, I do. So here's my mani in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.